If I can dream, let it be of open hands, of strangers smiling in the same language, of laughter that forgets borders, and songs that make no one feel small. Let the dream rise like dawn on every street, light brushing the faces of those who've waited too long to be seen, warming the hearts that once hid in fear. If I can dream, let it be of children unafraid, walking to school beneath trees of peace, their backpacks light with promise, their names spoken with kindness. Let kindness be the common tongue, the way we greet the morning, the rhythm in every marketplace, a habit of heart too natural to notice. If I can dream, let the tables be full, every plate abundant and shared, no child waiting with hollow eyes, no mother whispering tomorrow. Let food flow where hunger once lived, bread broken in circles of laughter, and every flavor seasoned with dignity and grace. I had a dream. Let the walls soften, brick by brick, dissolving into air until all that remains is the path between us, worn smooth by feet of compassion. Let no one hunger for justice alone, for equality is not a gift, but a remembering. A remembering that you and I share the same breath, the same pulse of waiting to belong. If I can dream, let it echo through the cities, across fields where hands once labored unseen, through oceans where silence still mourns, through the mountains that carry old prayers. Let the dream be restless and radiant, a wind stirring even the tired hearts, so that love no longer whispers from corners but stands tall in the center of the square. If I can dream, let the dream be us, each moment, a chance to begin again, each word a bridge, each glance a spark, each kindness a quiet revolution. And if I wake, may I wake into that dream, into the work of gentle repair, into the courage to listen deeply, to hold, to heal, to act with care. May the dream outlast the night, carried by every step we take, until peace is no longer imagined. It is how we live, how we love, how we are. Be nice, be kind, and be the greatest expression of you.